If you've been looking for an affordable hybrid mattress in Canada, you've probably come across the Silk and Snow. They've built a reputation for premium construction at a budget-friendly price. And their hybrid model is one of the most popular choices across the country. In today's video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about the medium firm mattress after testing it myself. The materials, the firmness, the performance reviews, and comparisons with other Canadian brands, and whether this mattress is actually worth your money. Let's get into it. If you're not familiar with them, Silk and Snow is a Canadian company founded in the year 2017. What makes them stand out is that they manufacture almost everything here in Toronto. The foam, the coils, even the fabric. So when you buy this mattress, you're getting a product where the materials and construction are traceable and consistent, which honestly isn't something you see a lot at this price point. The hybrid comes in 3 firmness levels: firm, medium firm, and plush. I tested their medium firm version, which is their most popular. So here's what it's made of: a hypoallergenic antimicrobial polyester cover. It's not removable, so a protector is a good idea. But the fabric itself helps keep things clean. A 1-inch quilted gel foam top gives you that light initial cushion. 2-inch high-density gel memory foam. This is what provides that deeper pressure relief. Side sleepers get good shoulder and hip contouring, while back sleepers get enough firmness to keep everything aligned. At the bottom, we have a 9-inch zoned pocket coil system with reinforced edges. This is the most impressive part of the mattress for me. You get firmer coils under the hips and lumbar for support, softer coils under the shoulders for comfort, and stronger coils around the perimeter to prevent sagging. It feels like a hybrid that actually adapts to your body instead of fighting it. Ordering is all online and shipping is free across Canada. My mattress arrived in about 3 days compressed into a box. Setup is super simple. Unbox, unroll, and let it expand. It reached full shape quickly, but honestly, it felt even better after a full day of airing out. You also get a 365-night trial and a 15-year warranty, which is one of the longest in Canada for this price range. Now, let's talk performance. These scores are based on my testing, plus extended lab tests from Slumber.ca. Temperature control, 8.5 out of 10. The gel foam helps pull in heat, and the coils allow for airflow. Not an actively cooling mattress, but noticeably cooler than all foam models. Motion isolation, 9 out of 10. This was one of the biggest surprises. The foam absorbs motion extremely well. If your partner gets in and out of bed, you barely feel it. Edge support, 9.5 out of 10. Some of the best edge support I've tested at this price point. The perimeter coils keep the edges firm, so sitting or sleeping near the sides feels stable. Overall feel, the medium firm feels like a 6.5 to 7 out of 10. That nice balance between plush but supportive. Back sleepers will love the lumbar alignment, and side sleepers get good contouring without sinking too far in. Weight notes: if you're under 230 pounds, you'll get the best experience. Heavier sleepers might sink in too deeply into the foam and might reach the coils over time. Here's how it stacks up against 2 other big Canadian hybrids: Silk and Snow Hybrid versus the Endy Hybrid. Endy Hybrid runs warmer and is more expensive. Silk and Snow wins on motion isolation, edge support, and the price. Silk and Snow Hybrid versus Logan & Cove Frontier. Frontier is a luxury hybrid with dual coils and a pillow top. Better pressure relief, but also significantly more expensive. Silk and Snow gives you around 80 to 90% of the performance at a much better price. So who should buy this? This mattress is a great fit for you if you want strong lumbar support, want excellent motion isolation, need solid edge support, want premium materials without paying a premium price, prefer a choice of firmness levels, want a generous 365-night trial. Skip if you sleep extremely hot, want deep, plush sinking feel, weigh over 230 pounds, and need that extra firmness. Overall, the Silk and Snow Hybrid packs a ton of value into a reasonable price tag. The construction feels thoughtful, the coil system is genuinely impressive, and the performance, especially for lumbar support and motion isolation, competes with more expensive hybrids. So if you're looking for a mattress that balances comfort, support, and affordability while still giving you that hybrid responsiveness, the Silk & Snow Hybrid is absolutely worth considering. I'll leave links in the description below if you want to check out the most current deals. And if you want me to compare this with another Canadian mattress, just drop it in the comments. So if this video helped you out at all, drop a like, subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.